The importance of planning and preparation in internal quality assurance. So let's just have a look at a definition of planning that would relate to business planning. The part of this definition that I've highlighted says plans to achieve optimum balance of needs or demands with the available resources. So in our context of internal quality assurance in learning and development, planning therefore balances the various needs based on risk and these demands based on the requirements both external and internal to the quality assurance system. These demands based on these requirements needs to also be balanced with who can do the different activities and when. Therefore, typically plans show what is to be done, when it is to be done, and who does it. And this is whether it's a business plan, a project plan, or indeed an internal quality assurance plan. Let's just have a look at the second part of this definition of planning. The planning process identifies the goals or objectives to be achieved, formulates strategies to achieve them, arranges and/or creates the means required, and implements, directs and monitors all steps of their proper sequence. As we have said, a plan identifies the what that needs to be done, or we might say the goals and objectives of the plan as it says here. But as well as implements the planned activities, it should also include how those plans will be monitored and reviewed. This should be built in from the start. But why is planning important to the IQA? Planning is about being proactive, is about looking ahead at what the IQA activities need to be and then planning them in. Planning makes the way ahead clear and transparent and allows for contingencies or what-ifs to be anticipated and managed. Planning, and especially effective planning, means that there are sufficient resources to ensure that all the required IQA activities are done and none are missed. Missed IQA activities can lead to increased risks in the system that can have serious consequences. Clear, effective, transparent planning, as we have said, provides a clear roadmap of what is to be done. This is the start point also of having and recording a clear audit trail of all activities and when they will occur. Planning means the IQA can clearly communicate to their assessors and other stakeholders what to expect and when. When the IQA wants samples, when they want to talk to learners, or when they plan to come out and observe the assessors is made clear and easy to follow and find. The assessor should usually reasonably expect to get notice of activities in writing and in a reasonable advance of activities that are to be undertaken. Planning also means that sampling of evidence and decisions doesn't only occur at the end of the programme, but at different stages of the programmes, preferably early in the programme, at the middle part of the programme, and also at the end of the programme. This means any problems that may be occurring or arising early on in the programmes are picked up early and addressed, so that this avoids difficulties at the end of the programme further down the line, especially when it comes to claiming certification. That was a short overview of the importance of planning and preparation in internal quality assurance.